This is Abby.
Hello.
Be kind to her. This is the first time she's been on the video. She's kindly given permission. And the nice thing about where Abby lives, it's in Woburn. And no one knows yet. It's a lovely area.
Yeah.
And it's surrounded by a big forest. So on the way to Bletchley, we're going to drive through the forest.
Okay.
So enjoy the drive through the forest. It's going to be a bit of a country drive for you. When we get to Bletchley, you know the route. I'll direct you, but you've got a good idea where we're going to go.
Yeah.
You've not had the lesson last week because I was away. How are you feeling about today's lesson?
Yeah, good. Excited.
Yeah, excited?
Yeah.
Good. Anything you're not sure about, just ask like normal.
Okay.
And then we'll get started. Okay, so we've got a tricky junction straight in front of you, which means we've got to get back to our side pretty quick. Left at the end of the road, and you've got cars behind you, your mum's car making it hard to see. So in your own time, just take your time. Make sure it's safe, check. That's it. And the left at the end. That's good. Well done. That's nice. At the end of the road, we're going to go left, please. Nice day.
It's lovely.
It was really hot. Just go a little bit slower because it's quite narrow, isn't it? That's it. Because if anyone opens the door, you can react better.
Yeah.
When we get past the zebra crossing, we're going to do a right turn, please. So right turn up. If you're not sure about anything, you can always ask Abby.
Okay, thank you.
That's the idea, just letting get out your way. Remember, we're not a motorbike, are we?
No.
We've got 4 wheels, we're not going to get through there.
Yeah.
That's kind of them, waiting for you there. You do get some good drivers around.
Yeah.
That's the idea, interact with them, let them know you're happy with them. So at the bottom of the hill, we're going to do a right turn, please.
Okay.
And because it's sunny, obviously the sun shining through the trees is going to be quite hard reflecting on the windscreen, so you've got to be a bit careful. It's good. It's warm, what's it now, like 18, 19 or 20 degrees it is. So it's fairly warm. So you're not going to get many animals on the road.
No.
They'll be in the shade.
Hopefully.
So what's the speed limit on this road?
40.
40?
National.
National, yeah. National.
I wouldn't go national on it, I don't think.
No, you've got to be a bit stupid to go national, haven't you?
Yeah.
And what's a reasonable speed?
40 to 50?
Yeah, in that region. Depending on how wide the road is, it depends on the bends.
Yeah.
You're doing about 42 at the moment, so you're probably doing the reasonable speed. Because 50 might be a little bit fast because it's narrow and bumpy. So just for anyone watching, it's national speed limit. It's not necessarily got to do the speed limit, you've got to do what's safe. We're getting bounced around, aren't we?
Yeah.
And obviously if you're going through here in winter, there's a risk of obviously mud on the ground, or if it's cold, maybe ice. And obviously the shade is distracting from the bends ahead of you.
And then obviously you've got this sharp bend.
Yeah, you got the red warning sign, triangle, tells you the bend. where that car is on the right. So it's a sharp bend coming up. Now there's nothing saying sharp bend there, you just know it, and it's even saying slow on the ground there. There's no like sharp bend sign. They're kind of painting something on the tree there.
Yeah. When you're right up close to it.
Yeah, well, it's a bit late that, isn't it?
Yeah.
But it's a nice road to drive on after you pass your test.
Yeah.
But you'll be an expert on this road, you.
Yeah.
Looking forward to your driving test?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's coming up soon now.
Don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone when it is. I say don't tell anyone. Don't tell your best mate.
No.
Tell your mum and dad, and that's it. Less pressure then, isn't there?
Yeah. You might be thinking, oh my god, everybody knows.
Yeah, I once had this is a true story while I was driving along here. I picked up a girl for a driving test about 5 years ago, and she's walking to the car and she's shaking at this point. So I said, what's up? That sign there, you see it? Sharp bend sign?
Yeah.
That's it. And she said, oh, well, I've just opened the fridge and there's a bottle of champagne and a good luck card.
Oh.
And that's the last thing you want to see just before you take your test, isn't it? It's talking about pressure.
Yeah.
Anyway, she didn't pass that day.
Oh, bless her.
I think the pressure got to her.
Yeah.
So we're going to do a right turn to Milton Keynes and get on the A5. So yeah, it's better not to tell everyone.
Yes, definitely.
Well done. Excellent. How do you feel about getting on there then?
Yeah, okay.
Easy for you?
Yeah. We do it like most lessons.
So it becomes quite normal.
Yeah.
And how did you feel about running the motor last week or last lesson?
Yeah, that was really good. I really enjoyed that.
Yeah. So that was interesting, wasn't it, for you?
Yeah.
And the same sort of thing getting on, isn't it? Just a bit more traffic. So at the roundabout, we're going to follow the road ahead to Fenny Stratford or Bletchley, which is going to be the second exit.
Yeah.
Do you want any help?
No.
No? If you're not sure, just ask.
No, thank you.
You can see the sign ahead of us, the green sign.
Yeah.
So Fenny Stratford.
Straight on.
Straight on, yeah? On the sign, the second one there where the truck is, it looks like it's a left, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But it's actually left lane straight on, isn't it?
Yeah.
You can see this, it says on the right the sign there, use the left lane for Fenny. Just a big roundabout.
Yeah.
It's always busy here, isn't it?
Yeah. All the time. It doesn't matter what time of day you come either.
At least you get good at handling busy traffic.
Yeah.
Think of it like that. Always think positive. You know, it's big trucks, go slow. We weren't going to make that, was we? With no chance, we're too far back.
Yeah, we couldn't get through because the truck was there.
I don't know what these flags are for on the left there. They weren't there last week,
No,
they?
no.
They must be doing something there. No. They're not going to build an house in there, are they?
No, definitely not.
Be a nightmare trying to park up. I'm sure someone's going to tell me what it's for. It's something to do with drainage or something. Anyway, we're going to Bletchley, which is, what exit is it?
Second exit.
Second exit, yeah. You ready to go out? You're already, with your foot on the gas there.
Yeah.
The downside of that
Yeah.
is that you use more fuel, isn't it?
Yeah.
It always feels a little bit scary when there's a big truck next to you.
Yeah.
When they start coming across that, you're thinking they're going to come into my lane.
Yeah.
You just got to keep an eye on them. Because they shouldn't do, but people make mistakes.
Yeah.
he might realise he's in the wrong lane, indicate late and try and get in. If he does, what would you do?
Just stop and let him in.
Yeah, just slow down. Just come off the gas, let him shoot in.
Yeah.
Speed limit.
40.
Well done. Top of the hill, there's 2 mini roundabouts stuck together. Like jam, aren't they?
Yeah.
We're going to go ahead on both of them. Best behaviour, aren't you? Keep an eye on your speed, because it's easy to speed up when it's clear ahead of you. So there's your sign for the 2 roundabouts. We're going to follow the road ahead. Would you indicate to go ahead on the Mini? That's correct, well done. And we're going to go ahead following the road ahead on both of them. Well done, Abby, that was good. You've done what I call the rolling start. I started to slow down and give way. She popped in first, got the gas and biting point before she stopped. Thumbs up from me. Left at the roundabout, please. It's quite hard to do that, especially on a steep hill like that. You've got to time it right, haven't you? Just going to follow the road down here. What's happening ahead of us? Anything?
Funeral.
Funeral car, yeah. It's like there's 2 funeral cars, isn't there?
Yeah.
Don't forget your right mirror. If you checked it, tell me.
I check what? I'll tell you.
Yeah, if you check your right mirror next time, say it. I've done it already. We're going to go left at the roundabout, please. At the mini roundabout. Well done. At the mini roundabout, we're going to do a right turn. At the second mini roundabout, we're going to go left, because they're quite close together. So it's right at the first one, left at the second. It's a little bit tricky, isn't it? So you just look for the safe gap. Bit jumpy, but we got out. And I left at the next place. Have a look in the road you want to go into, make sure it's, see all the cars.
Yeah.
Just be a bit careful. Can't see what's coming. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Difficult one because you can't see. That's it. After we get past this car, we're going to do a right turn, please.
Okay.
Well done, well done. That's nice. That's good running around it. That's probably the best you could do then. It's a difficult situation. And then we're going to pull up on the left where it's convenient and safe.
Under that.
Yeah. Where you see a safe spot, that is. Okay, right, secure the car. secure the car on a hill, innit?
Yeah.
A couple of little things at the end then. Do you check your mirrors pulling in?
No.
Why not?
I guess forgot.
On the driving test, they're going to say to you, oh, pull over there on the left there, and it
Yeah.
catches people out. And because normally they say, pull over where it's convenient and safe, and you'll,
Yeah.
okay, mirror signal. And every now and then say, pull over on the left over there.
Okay.
And there's a car behind you, so they need to know.
Yeah. Okay.
That right turn then, it's only the last couple of seconds, then you'd have to do a couple of mistakes. That right turn then, loads of parked cars.
Yeah.
You're seeing the parked cars, aren't you? And you cut the corner to avoid the parked cars. There's enough space to go into the left lane and then come out. That's what you want to do.
Yeah. Okay.
All right?
Yeah.
That's even critical, because if you don't look at the road
Yeah.
and you cut the corner and there's a car coming, you're on the wrong side of the road, aren't you?
Yeah.
All right? So just be careful.
Okay.
You know what to do.
Yeah.
If you like seeing Abby and you want to see more videos of Abby on, put a comment below. See you next time, everyone.